Hello, in this video I will show you exactly how to get your voice chat in ROBLOX without any identification. Now, it's a very easy process. So open your ROBLOX first on a browser. Then as you can see, I've already verified my account. So if I go to my settings, and then right over here, you can see I've already verified my account. Now I'm going to show you the exact way how I've done it. So what you do is go back to the home page, and over here in the home, just simply remove this and enter support. And that will open the support page over here. Now, all you have to do is just simply enter your first name, email address, and then confirm that email address. So it is compulsory that you enter your first name as well, because it is also written optional, but you have to enter your name. After that, scroll down and click on this option over here and choose the system where you're facing the problem, meaning where you're usually playing ROBLOX. So in my case, it's going to be PC. Now, in the help category, click on the drop-down box, and over here, just simply click on technical support. Then choose the drop-down box again, and over here, just simply choose specific experience issue. And now just simply write the following over here, as you can see right over here. So just simply take a screenshot or copy it. It's totally up to you. Now, after you've done that, just simply click on submit, and then within few minutes or an hour, you will receive an automated email from ROBLOX. And after 1 to 2 days, your issue should be fixed, or a support team member will contact you through your email, and then they will directly help you to fix your issue. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.